Don't make question answer. This is, this is a mistake.
What is your height? Are you going to visit Philippines with me? Have you know each other before?
Oh, yes, Oliver Kaga.
Yeah.
Say hello.
Are you single?
Ooh.
Guys, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Please like, share, and
Subscribe.
Bye. God bless.
Greetings from Germany.
Greetings from Germany, from Bosco 1 and Bosco 2. Oh! Hey! Guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's me, Oliver Kagas. Guys, for today's video po ay one sitting lang po tayo. So it means andito lang tayo ngayon kung saan tayo nakaupo. Dito ang mag-start. Dito din mag-i-end ang ating video today. Kasi po, sasagutin na po namin ang mga katanungan ninyo. And I have a guest. Nakita nyo na po to sa vlog natin before. Kasi nag-face reveal po tayo. So this time, I'm with Joey.
Hello again.
So I'm with Joey.
Hi. Hi, guys.
Guys have a lot of questions for you and also for me, I think, for both of us. And they want to know the answers because they deserve an explanation.
Okay.
Piolo.
What questions per email or what?
Yeah, because I posted on Facebook if they have some questions for you or for me, so we can answer it on our vlog.
Okay.
So there are a lot of questions here. So are you ready to answer?
I can try. I give my best.
I give my best. So now,
can I ask you also?
yeah, later. You can ask me later.
Okay. Na gut.
Ubusan to ng German, dugo. German in English. So let's start with.
Hast du eine Liste gemacht?
Huh?
Do you have a list or what?
I posted on Facebook here. Nagpost ako sa Facebook with my
Saka.
picture. Here, this one.
Ah.
So a lot of.
That's our picture.
Yeah, this is our picture, and a lot of people commented. Okay, first questions goes like this from Myrna Vera. So, what made you decide to appear in my blog?
Was? Wie bitte?
What made you decide to appear in my vlog?
What made?
I'll make translation. Guys, I'll make a translation from English to German para mas maintindihan niya po lalo, okay?
My English is okay. Let me.
Was hat ihn dazu bewogen, in ihrem Vlog abzutreten?
Erpressung.
Grabe ka sa akin. Erpressung yun.
Ich habe vorhin noch mit Bosco 1, Bosco 1 gesprochen, mit Uwe.
Ja, aber English, okay?
Yeah. Uwe said me, don't make question answer. This is, this is a mistake.
This is a mistake. Okay.
No, you asked me, I can do this, and I said yes, why not?
Yeah, I asked you before that, is it okay if you are part of my vlog that I will show your face in my car, guys? And then what did you answer?
It's okay for me.
Okay.
Because I like you and I need to like your community.
Okay. Well, you like me as a person, okay?
Ich habe gemerkt, your community on YouTube is very nice. It's not like in Facebook, in German Facebook or.
So my community are very friendly, you know, because
very friendly, yeah.
Because you saw, he read the comments, guys, that you commented before, no?
Mm-hmm.
Then
yeah, very nice, friendly.
Wow.
Yeah.
Friendly, wow, good job kayo dyan. Plus 10 kayo, salamat. Next to Frogger from Myrna again, dalawa kasi yung tanong niya. Sabi nito, ready na ba siya ma-open ang personal life niya sa vlog mo? Okay. Having seen this in vlog, dein persönlich Leben eröffnet. Bist du bereit? Are you ready?
Ready for what?
To open your life in my vlog. Are you ready or?
Okay, yeah, a little bit.
A little bit?
Why not?
Why? Oh, why not? Yeah. So are you ready? Are you ready to? if there's a negative comments or positive, are you ready to accept all of it?
Yeah, sure. Oh, Bosco 1!
Bosco 1 is
Come, say hello!
Come.
He's shy.
He's shy. Okay. So. Okay, next question is from Harvey.
Harvey?
Yeah,
Oh, hello,
say
Harvey.
hi. Harvey ask, what is your height? Wie groß bist
Yeah.
du?
1,89.
In English?
189 centimeters.
189 centimeters. So in feet,
How tall are you?
I will answer it.
Wait, let me
Let me guess.
yeah. 161.
Hey, 161.
Yeah, 1 meter 61 centimeters.
Okay, wait. So are you 169?
Nein, 89.
189.
89, yeah.
189 centimeter in feet ay, huy, 6 footers, day ka dong. 6 feet and 20.
You have feet in Filipino.
Yeah, Filipino is feet. Here is centimeter, right? But in American or the English is feet.
Feet,
Yeah. So you are 6 footers. 6 feet and 20 cents.
620.
620. Wow. And me? Guess.
Ja, 161 Zentimeter.
Yeah, you know, 5 feet and 3. 5,3.
War richtig 161.
Yeah, richtig.
Aber wie lustig.
Hala na, ano niya, nag-guess niya yung 161 centimeter ako. So, 5 footers tayo.
Vielleicht wusste ich das schon.
Echt?
Ich weiß es nicht.
5,5.
Raten jetzt, aber.
Wow, you are so clever, you are so smart. Doch.
Mal Andi.
So, so next question.
Ich wohne hier.
So next question is from, Maria Isabel.
Who's that? Who's that?
She's my good friend from Davao, in Philippines.
Ah.
But now she's in Australia. Her mother is in vacation also in Australia. Okay, so
Australian is beautiful, I
Australia.
think.
So she have a question for us. So, are you going to visit Philippines with me soon?
No.
Okay. Why?
I need to work, and I don't have vacation, and I'm going to Egypt this year.
So you need to save money, no?
Yeah.
But if I ask you, do you want to come with me in the Philippines? Do you like?
If the followers spend money for Australia, you can go there.
Whoa! Good idea, Bosco too.
So if I ask you, do you want to come with me?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
But now, not.
But Philippine is dangerous, or?
No, Philippines is not dangerous. But yeah, in some area, it's dangerous. But in Davao or in Visayas, Luzon, they are not dangerous. It's
Okay.
not dangerous, you know.
But
Because you read a lot of in the newspaper or that Google that Philippines is dangerous, but I can tell you there's a lot of foreigners out there who wants to visit Philippines because of we have a beautiful islands, we have beautiful sea, and there's a lot of beautiful tourist destination. And
I'm born in Germany here, in Wiesbaden, and we're thinking that Philippines is dangerous for tourism.
okay, but
The most areas in the Philippines.
in this most areas, but some areas are dangerous, but there's some cities or areas are safe for foreigners like you, for Ausländer, weißt du? Okay, so,
Tourismusgebiet.
and that's why I want to promote Philippines also, that I hope you will visit Philippines because it's a beautiful country. But I have a good news.
Yeah.
I have good news because his parents were in the Philippines before.
4 times.
4 times, guys, 4 times. We're in the Philippines because I met his parents now in Bohol, Chocolate Hills, Boracay, Manila, Luzon, Manila area.
Manila, it's
then,
beautiful.
And then Camp Kramer, Kale. His father told me because his father worked in a police station, police, commissioner. Your father is a commissioner. And his mother also is in the police, no?
Mhm.
So
Genau.
they have a police blood. Police blood. So that's why his parents were in the Philippines. And I asked them again, when do you want to go back in the Philippines? No, Van. And then they said, they need to save money first because this year.
It's expensive.
Yeah, because this year they plan a trip to Sweden. No, Sweden. Your parents.
Ja, mit dem Wohnmobil, genau.
Yeah, with mobile home and now, but they love Philippines. They were in the Philippines in the Corona time, pandemic, no? 2022.
Ja, genau,
Yeah.
genau, richtig, ja.
Okay, so that's why we need to.
But you can invite me anytime.
Yeah, but will he visit Philippines with Kuya Oli soon, Maria Isabel? So
Soon is not possible, but maybe in
maybe
a
next
few
year
years.
or after 10 years.
10 years. Yeah.
Next question goes like this. Oy, Boss Kuan, come here.
Uwe.
Say hi, Oli, hi. Say hi to
Say
Ka, guys.
hello.
Hi, guys. We have an invitation for the afternoon, and I make a little gift for the lady who invited us.
Okay.
Where's the gift?
So,
Warte.
what is... Show it.
50 Euro.
Confirmation.
Ja. Religious. Religious
Confirmation,
party.
yeah. So, Ma'am Judith commented, who are you? Sino ba siya? Who are you?
Okay.
Your name is Joe?
I'm me.
I'm me. I'm me.
Okay, that's an interesting question. I'm Joey, 34 years old.
Yeah. Okay. Who are you and how old are you? Okay. We asked this too.
Yeah, 34 years
Old. Okay. Okay.
Nee, 33 years
30,
old.
34. You told me before.
Warte, bin ich jetzt 33 oder 34?
It's like,
Hat gar nicht.
nakalimutan niya kung 34 ba siya or 33.
I didn't count more.
So you forgot your age. Das dein...
Ich glaube 34.
Okay.
Ja, 34.
Nakalimutan na yung edad.
Can you cut this?
No. So, this is not a question, but I think it's a compliment from Dong. And Dong commented, ang bait pala niya sa personal, so you are friendly in person.
Yeah, Dong is also friendly.
Thank you, Dong.
I met him yesterday.
Yeah.
Follow his blog.
Yeah, follow him.
Dong vlog.
But, because I need to translate, no, so...
Was willst du sagen?
Okay, the next question is from Evil Closa. Malambing ba siya? So it means, is er zärtlich? Yeah.
Ist er was?
Is er zärtlich? Malambing ba siya? I need to answer it because...
Ja.
Because...
Sag du mal lieber, das ist
Yeah,
das kann
kung
ich
malambing ba
nicht-
siya, I am the one who will answer it because you cannot answer it because it's your attitude or character,
Yeah,
no?
yeah.
Yes, malambing po siya. Yeah, that's true. He's
Thank
so
you.
kind and malambing. Okay.
Malambing?
Malambing. Malambing.
Langbing. Was heißt das? Zärtlich.
Zärtlich, yeah.
Malambing.
So from Karshanet Tieno, she's from Germany also. She's from Pfalz. Pfalz?
Pfalz?
Ja.
Rheinland-Pfalz?
Yeah.
Das ist in der Nähe von mir.
Ja, ist hier auch, 2 Stunden oder 3 von hier.
Ja, 3.
So, Karishane Tieno, she asked, when was the first time we met?
February
So, yeah, in February after Valentine's?
this year.
No,
after Valentine's.
After Valentine's.
Yeah.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
good. So, we met in Badlaspe here. You drove here.
Yeah, you show me the village.
Yeah, the Badlaspe.
Ja, sehr schön hier.
Okay, then the next question goes like this. Have you know each other before? No.
Have you know each other?
Haben wir schon vorher kennengelernt?
Ach so, ja gut.
Oder
Ein bisschen geschrieben,
Ja.
Chatting.
Okay.
Und ja.
And she said, everyone deserves to love and be loved. Weißt du? Nurture what you have. Weißt du, is my... So, I need to translate to him so he will know what I'm...
Nicht vorbereitet, der.
Okay.
Nicht vorbereitet.
Sie hat gesagt, jeder hat es verdient zu lieben und geliebt zu werden.
Oh.
Nurture, was du hast.
Was ich habe.
Ja.
Also ich bin momentan verliebt. I'm in love. Ja, und was hat sie jetzt geschrieben?
Sie hat geschrieben, jeder hat es verdient zu lieben und geliebt zu werden.
Ja, das ist
Yeah, this is true, right?
It's true.
That's true, that everyone deserves to love and be loved. Next question goes like this. This is from Ruth Villesa Perdigon. Hi, Mom Ruth.
Mama Rose.
Nee, Mom Ruth.
Ach so.
Ruth.
Ruth.
Yeah. Hi, Ruth. Nicht Mami Ruth.
So.
So, hi, Ollie and Joey. One question. What does he do for a living? What did you do for a living?
Leaving.
Are you working or sleeping? What did you do so you will survive in this world?
I love to travel. I love fitness, gym.
Yeah. And what is your work?
Work, I said in the last video.
He said the last video, so you need to check it out.
Here, da.
Yung face reveal, you can check it out what his job, okay?
Genau.
So, hindi na niya sagutin pala ulit.
Distribution was going.
Okay. Okay, and here's, how old is he? He answered before, 34 years old. And then, will he be interested to visit the Philippines? Are you interested? Yeah, you answered before,
I said before, yeah, I'm very interested.
And if you have given a chance to visit Philippines, what places would you like to visit?
I know you have very tasty mangoes in Philippines.
Because his favorite fruit is mango.
Und meine Eltern, my parents said the mangoes in Philippines are wow. Wow. We have only mangoes from Ghana or African here in Germany, not from Philippines. I don't know why. You can't buy.
Maybe it's not. Yeah.
Only from African.
Okay, because it's from Africa. It's easier to import. Transfer. Okay.
Import, yeah.
Okay.
I think that's
so. Do you like Boracay Island? Is he a beach person? Do you like sea?
I'm a beach person?
Yeah.
No.
Beach, like sea, strand.
I like the beach.
You like the beach?
Beach, meinst du?
Yeah.
You said bitch.
Nee, nicht beach. Beach. Okay. Huh?
Yeah, I love the beach. This year I go to Egypt. And I love the beach. Yeah.
Okay.
You also have beach in
the Philippines.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have 7,600 plus islands.
But you lived in an area without beach, or
2 hours from my area.
2 hours?
We need to drive 2 hours.
Drive.
Yeah.
Okay, with car. Okay.
If you want to walk, then you will arrive tomorrow.
Okay. That's normal, yeah. Yeah.
So, next question. Because you met my friends, my Filipino friends, no? For example, I'm Harvey, my Tim Belmani, Mami Rose, Stephanie, Jermarie Chin, Dong, Lin, Ate Jenny. You met my Filipino friends, no?
Yesterday, yes.
So, the next question is, what trait of the Filipinos does he like best and why?
The voice.
The voice.
The voice. I listened to karaoke.
Yesterday. Yesterday.
You can sing bramissimo.
Okay, thank you.
I love your voice, and I love the voice from Harvey, from The other
Dong.
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 Not Dong. Dong, yes, but the other guy.
Ah, okay, the other friend of Dong.
Yeah, the other friend of Dong was very good singing, and very happy.
Happy person.
Happy person. So the aura is.
The aura of the Filipinos,
Yeah,
of my
so-
or my friends. Okay.
Yeah.
And what else?
Yeah, very friendly, nice, and.
And how about our party? Is it boring for you? Our party.
Total boring, yeah. No. You go in the garden and then hi, hey, and kissing and very friendly.
Yeah, because when we arrive, you know,
Yeah.
when we arrived yesterday, Stephanie hold the the microphone.
Microphone. Oh, yes, Oliver Kaga.
Yeah.
Say hello.
Stephanie hold the camera, the microphone, and said, "Oh, welcome, Oliver Kaga."
Yeah.
You know?
It was very.
It's very welcoming. It's very welcoming.
Yeah,
you know?
the show must go on.
The
we
show must
would
go,
say.
even if there's a rain. The show must go on.
Ja. Und dann sind wir ins Gebäude gegangen.
Yeah, in the Gebäude. Okay, so that's
It was
what.
very
So
nice.
it's not boring for you, no? The Filipinos
No.
party.
In a German party, you go in the garden, sit down, here is your steak, and have a good time. And then we
Talk a lot.
talk a lot.
We talk a lot, but there's a lot of karaoke, singing, dancing, TikTok,
Yeah,
and always laughing, no?
we're always laughing. Yeah.
What is the best thing if I met with my friends, we don't talk other people negatively, you know? We don't talk, oh, you know, Joey, I don't like Joey, you know, we don't do like that. But
Yeah.
what we do is we enjoy the moment. We don't talk other people's lives, but we enjoy our get together, you know? That is the best thing. That's why I like my friends.
Yeah.
And also Harvey. Harvey is a very
I think
good
this is a Philippine
trait, Filipino
trait.
attitude.
Yeah.
Okay. Or the
The most people of your culture is
are
friendly and.
Wow. Yay! Thank you.
This is my opinion.
Because it's new for you, no?
Yeah.
You have no Filipino
No
friends
connection.
before.
No connection. Yeah.
Okay. So
Most Germans and Germans not so happy like Philippines. Is this in your country? Is this in your country the same aura?
yeah, it's the
Yeah?
same aura, but I don't want to say it now, but if you are in the Philippines, you will, will know it. We are very friendly. We like to. We are very hospitable. You know. It said, "Oh, come here if you're going to visit in the house of your friends or my friend. Oh, come here. What do you like to drink? What do you like to eat?" It's just like they will entertain you. You know.
Du hast mich letztens gefragt, was meine Nachbarn machen, my
Your neighbor.
neighbors, and I don't know. I don't know my neighbors,
Yeah, I asked him, your neighbors are your friends or not? And then,
and I don't know my neighbors. It's normally in German most time that you don't know your neighbors. Du kennst deine Nachbarn nicht unbedingt. Du hast nicht viel mit denen zu tun. And you said, this is not normal in Philippines. You like your neighbors, neighbors are friends. And
Yeah.
this is not
And we
the
know-
German culture. So.
and we know our neighbors in the Philippines.
Yeah,
Yeah, so it's a very big difference, no? Okay.
culture different, yeah.
And someone commented, we have the same face. Are you agree?
No face is so beautiful like this.
No. You are very, very showbiz.
Right?
Very celebrity. Your answer is like a schauspieler.
Yeah, I said Tom Cruise.
Your answer, dein Antwort is like schauspieler.
Also, nein.
Du hast gelogen.
Nein.
So next question. Oh, this is the question that I've received a lot. A lot of people wants to know about this. Are you single?
Ooh, that's very private. But no, I'm not single.
You're not single?
I'm not single.
Okay. We want to know, or do you want They want to...
No.
They want
later.
They want to tell us who's...
Later. No.
So you are not single?
I'm not single, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
That's all.
Are you single?
Me? At the moment, I will not answer it.
Wow. Thank you for the communication.
For me, it's a private.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, but you answered no, so
you know, it's new for me for social media, YouTube. I'm not on Facebook. I said I'm not on TikTok. And yeah, YouTube. Klar, I'm looking YouTube. I'm watching YouTube, but I'm not there, and I'm a little bit shy. That's a private question. So.
Okay. So sorry,
in this moment.
So sorry if I ask you if you are single.
No, it's okay. It's okay. That's a question, and but I don't answer.
So you said no, you are not single.
I'm not single. Yeah.
Okay, that's great. That's great.
Okay.
Okay. It's not a question, but a lot of people commented that you are so handsome. Are you agree?
Handsome means
Hübsch.
Hübsch. Oh, thank you. Okay.
Are you agree?
I don't know. Maybe.
I don't know.
A little
Maybe.
bit. But nobody is more handsome like this.
Why always me?
Yeah, it's your vlog, and it's your. Yeah.
What?
It's your. Very friendly, Bosco. Bosco 1, Bosco 2.
Okay. This is question is from me.
Ooh.
This is not from Kagais, but it's from me. Because this is also important to know. And do you like Bosco and Bosco 2 as a friend? You know.
Yeah. Sure.
Are they good to you? Is it they are good?
Yeah, sure. Sure.
Why can you say that?
Because it's a fact.
It's the fact.
It's a fact.
Because it's a fact. You're so very clever, huh? Because it's the fact.
No, Bosco, Uwe Eckbert are very, very friendly, a little bit shy as well, and yeah, they ask me, do you want a coffee? Do you want eats? Do you want more eats?
You want more eat? Do you want more eat?
I'm not hungry more. Very friendly, yeah. I like Uwe Eckbert.
Okay, that's good. That's good to know. So, another question.
You got a lot of questions.
I think I don't have any more.
What?
So you need to ask me now.
Okay. Do you like Uwe Eckbert?
Yeah, of course. If I don't like them, maybe I'm not here anymore in Germany or here in Bad Laspe, Hotel Berghaus. Maybe I like them. That's why I stayed here 6 years. You know, and I hope so.
We make party 6 years here, and that was great. Yeah. Yeah. So. What is your weight?
What is your weight?
What is your weight?
Okay, weight. But my weight is 64 kilos. Yeah.
Okay.
So Kaga, because a lot of Kagas commented, you look like Tom Cruise when he was young.
Yeah, you said this.
Yeah, I will show you the picture of Tom Cruise. Okay.
I know Tom Cruise from movies, but hat der nicht schwarze Haare, blonde Haare?
Here, Tom Cruise.
I'm not Tom Cruise.
I'm not Tom Cruise.
Oh,
Here.
Yeah.
Kagay so. Tom Cruise. There's another personality from the Philippines. He's also an actor.
Ja, gestern hat das
here.
Jenny gesagt?
Yeah. He looks like Mavi Legaspe, yung anak nila Carmina. Ito yung palagi kong nababasa sa mga comments here. You look like him.
Yeah?
Sabi ko, you look like him, Mavi Legaspe. Here.
Nein.
Was 9 here.
Nee. And who is this?
He is
Actor,
an
actor.
actor in the Philippines.
Okay, movies or
Yeah, movies
shows.
or the shows.
Okay. Okay.
What can you say?
And he's famous or what?
His parents are famous.
Parents.
Parents, and
Okay.
he is also famous.
Well, I don't know him. But,
yeah, I don't-
but I don't look
Like him.
Philippine shows.
But you look like him.
Yeah, a little bit.
And Ate Pamela told me that you look like Ove when he was younger.
Do you have photos from Uwe as he was younger?
No, I don't. Yeah,
I
I
want
don't.
to see.
Yeah, you can ask Igor.
If you want to see Uwe Egbert as he
Younger.
was younger, write in the comment.
So, are you happy that you are finally in my vlog?
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
I'm finally.
And thank you for your support.
but I'm nervous. I hope it's okay. And
Yeah, I know because, and then you will get used to it, no? If you're always in my
Wie
vlog.
bitte?
You will get used to it if you're always in my vlog. So your nervous will fade away.
Hä?
Alles gut. Because you told me it's new to you and then you are nervous, you are shy, but if you are always in my vlog, maybe you are not nervous anymore.
Yeah, that's. I hope. Yeah.
Yeah, and thank you for the support. Because I have another person in my vlog, you know.
Yeah, and
There's an addition.
Und ich kann eine Kamera tragen.
Yeah, okay, Makla.
Hold your camera.
Okay.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
Okay, me.
Was they in your blog?
Yeah, when I was in the Philippines, yeah, I made a vlog there.
Okay.
I need to show it to you. My family in the Philippines.
Maybe you can set a video from
Yeah, the
all
link.
videos linked.
Yeah, when I was
Then
in
I
the
will
Philippines, so
watch
you
it.
will see my siblings. So I have.
You have so much videos. You need to make a playlist like the best of. So maybe this is a good idea.
Okay. Thank you for that good advice. So I have. I have. I think we are 6 brothers. I think I have 6 brothers and 2 sisters. And I have half sisters also. From my father's side and my mother's side. So there are 3, you know? Okay.
And your, I know this, but it's maybe interesting for your vlog. You came here because you wanted to work,
Yeah.
right?
Work and study.
But this was a long story, so we need to make a
Short.
short story like this. You study in Philippines or here?
German or what?
Yeah, German or in Philippines?
German language?
Language and your Ausbildung? your
Okay.
Practice?
I studied German in the German language in the Philippines because I need to send it also to the embassy, consulate. And
Maybe it's interesting for your visitors, for your
guys.
car. If you are, oder wenn ich jetzt, if I am a Filipino and I want to go outside to Austria, Switzerland, Germany, what I have to do? Do you have tips for your car guys? If you are not happy in Philippines, maybe
If you want
maybe you want to leave to see the world. What can I do then?
Okay, if you are young, explore. If you are still young, explore. If you want to know more about the world, if you want to see the world, because we have a beautiful planet Earth.
Yeah, that's
So
true.
explore it and live while you are young. You know, because maybe
What did you have to see?
I see the world.
Which countries? Which countries?
I visited Netherlands, Sweden, Denmark, and Norway.
Is there a reason?
Italy also.
Is there a reason that you just came to Europe?
No, the real reason why I moved to Germany, because I need to to earn money, you know, because back in the Philippines, we are, yeah,
not rich.
Not rich. We are poor, no. Sometimes we eat only rice, and
You only
Yeah.
eat rice here.
we eat rice, but there's a food also with a flesh.
Okay.
But in the Philippines, we eat
No proteins.
only rice, and then we put salt or sugar because we can't afford to buy more, you know. And sometimes if you don't have rice, we eat only banana, and then with how we call it, like oil, and then
Avocado
oil with salt, and our lunch or dinner is solved. And I told to myself that if I'm born poor, I don't want to die poor.
Yeah.
Then, because I'm still young and I want to explore the world, that's why I have that eagerness that I want to improve myself so I can help my family. And I told to myself that I need to help myself first, so I can help my family.
I saw you spend PayPal money to your brothers.
I
saw
paid.
this, yeah. That's great. It's a great story. So that's the reason why I think you need to make a playlist with your experience to move to our country.
Yeah. You know, we have that skills, no, to improve ourselves. So that's why we need to use that skill. We need to use that so we can be whatever I want. So you can explore the world. You will.
But I think it's not easy to explore the world if you are poor or if you don't have money. So I have the same problem. I can't visit Philippines. I don't have money, and that's you know what I mean. And
but you know, with the guidance of the Lord, no, with the guidance of the Lord, with the God, no, with God, maybe I cannot do it. You know, because God used instruments with Buskuan, Buskuto, Uwe and Egbert.
But
that's why I'm here. And then
that was a little bit luck as well. So you met Uwe Egbert.
It's a blessing.
Yeah.
They are a blessing.
Very blessing.
Yeah, they are a blessing to me that maybe Egbert and Uwe have a mission in this earth, and then their mission is to help me. You know, your mission on Egbert,
but
help Oliver from the Philippines to come to you.
But I know it was a hard work for you. So Uwe, Uwe told me that that's a private story now. Uwe told me he was very shy. Then he called with you, and then the story started. Okay. that was very cute story. So Uwe should tell this
anytime soon. So that's why I'm here. So my advice to my generation, no, or to our generation, because you're still young. just
if I am 33.
Just go to school first, no.
Yeah. That's important.
Study first, because if you have that certificate or diploma, no one will steal it. No one will steal your diploma certificate. You know, and
the best. I'm distribution gold, silver, but the best investment is in yourself.
So you need to invest yourself first. That's correct. So how you need to study first, learn, and you study what is your passion, what you will become in the future, you know. So
wie ist das in Filipino? There are schools like here, so you learn English, German, France.
No, we learn English, but there's some school that you need to pay extra if you want to learn some other languages.
Okay.
But in the school, university, maybe I think English or Spanish, I don't know. So guys, that's all, and I hope na enjoy kayo. I hope they enjoy, you know. And I hope na nasagot niya po lahat yung mga katanungan. I hope you answered all of it. All their questions, all their, you know.
And if you have questions, you can write in the comments and we will
answer again in the next vlog if we meet each other again. So, what can you say to Ka, guys? Last word.
Ka, guys, it's not easy in Germany. It's not easy in Philippines, I think. Explore the world and yeah.
Okay, explore the world and do you
be
want to
friendly and nice and
respect each other, no?
True.
Okay, then do you want to say
bad?
So, do you want to say thank you to
Yeah,
Kaga?
very thank you for you and for your community, for your friendly community, and I hope we will see us again.
The next vlog?
In the next
Yeah.
next vlogs, and we will make free time and we will explore the world together.
Germany.
Germany, the world.
To Germany, the world.
Well, maybe you can go with me to Egypt. Maybe.
Let's see.
I will
Let's see.
invite you.
Oh, I need to save money first.
Yeah.
Okay, so thank you, Ka, guys, and yeah, thank you. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, nakilala nyo na po si Joey. You know Joey now. That's all.
God bless you.
God bless you, Ka, guys. Stay zen, stay safe. This has been Oliver Kagas and Joey.
Joey.
Cheers.
Ciao.
Bye.